Hello, I am here to show you how to up your Thieves Cleaner by doing a pumpkin spice Thieves Cleaner recipe, and it's super simple and it smells amazing. So we're going to be using our Thieves Household Cleaner, and with this you use 2 capfuls per 16-ounce bottle, and a bottle of Thieves Cleaner will make 29 16-ounce bottles of cleaner. But if you want to make it, you could add different scents to it, and since it's coming to be the holidays, I'm going to do a pumpkin spice Thieves Cleaner, so I'm going to show you how. So we're going to be cleaning our home clean without all the harsh chemicals and toxins that are in other cleaners, so make sure you're using Thieves. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I have a 16-ounce glass bottle. You can get them on Amazon or anywhere. I'm going to take 2, this is the perfect, I usually spill, so I did get a little funnel so I don't make a mess on the video. But we're going to do 2 capfuls of the Thieves Cleaner. Let's see here. Normally I dribble it everywhere without a funnel, so keeping it neat and tidy for you all. Okay, so I added the Thieves Cleaner to that, so it's just 2 capfuls for the whole bottle. And then I can eyeball the oils fine without this. So then for the oils that we're going to use, it's 5 drops of each oil. So I'll tell you what they're individually. So first one we're going to do is we're going to do 5 drops of cardamom. And this one, oh, it smells so good. Reminds me of chai tea. All right, that's 5 of that. And then we're going to do 5 drops of clove. And then it's 5 drops of nutmeg. Ooh, that one comes out faster. Okay, and then 5 drops of ginger. Okay, and last but not least, 5 drops of cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark's a fall favorite of mine. I love it. So that's 5 drops of each oil, 2 capfuls of the Thieves Cleaner, and then we're going to top it off with water. Okay, let's see if I can get it in. Normally I just do it in the sink, but I just use tap water. It seems to work fine, and I use it on everything. And you guys, I've already gone through a full bottle of this, and my house has smelled amazing when you clean. Thieves Cleaner smells good as it is already, but when you add the other oils to it, oh man, it makes the whole house smell wonderful. It smells like you're diffusing. Okay, then we're just gonna put our little trigger sprayer back in there, give it a little shake. You're good to go. Happy cleaning. Enjoy your pumpkin spice Thieves Cleaner.